Myself Hima Varsha. Topic is about principle and applications of IR spectroscopy. Introduction to IR spectroscopy. IR spectroscopy is a technique used to identify molecular structures by analyzing their vibrational transitions. It operates on the principle that different chemical bonds absorb specific wavelengths of infrared light. The resulting absorbing spectrum provides insight into molecular composition and functional groups. Principle of IR spectroscopy. IR spectroscopy relies on the interaction of infrared radiation with matter, primarily covalent bonds. Molecules absorb energy at specific infrared frequencies that correspond to their vibrational modes. The resulting absorption spectrum displays peaks that correlate with different molecular vibrations. Types of vibrational modes. There are two main types of vibrational modes: stretching and bending. Stretching involves the change in bond length, while bending involves the change in bond angles. Each mode can be further classified into symmetric and asymmetric vibrations. Instrumentation in IR spectroscopy. An IR spectrometer typically consists of a source of infrared light, a sample holder, and a detector. The light source emits infrared radiation which passes through the sample, and the detector measures the transmitted light. For a transform, infrared spectroscopy is a common technique that provides rapid data acquisition. Sample preparation. Samples can be prepared in various forms, including liquid, solids, and gaseous. For solids, KBR pellets or thin films are commonly used to facilitate analysis. Liquid samples are often analyzed using a liquid cell or a thin film on a salt plate. Interpretation of IR spectra. The IR spectrum is plotted as absorbance of transmittance against wave number. Peaks in the spectrum correspond to the specific functional groups, allowing for molecular identification. Peak position, intensity, and width provide valuable information about molecular structure and environment. Applications in organic chemistry. IR spectroscopy is widely used for identifying functional groups in organic compounds. It helps confirm the structure of synthesized compounds by comparing with non-spectra. This technique is also useful for monitoring reaction progress and purifying analysis. Applications in pharmaceuticals. In the pharmaceutical industry, IR spectroscopy is employed for drug formulation analysis. It helps in the identification of active pharmaceutical ingredients and excipients. Quality control is enhanced through the detection of impurities and adulterants. Applications in material science. IR spectroscopy is used to analyze polymers, coating, and other materials. It aids in studying molecular interactions and material properties. Characterization of surface functional groups is essential for application in nanotechnology. Future trends in IR spectroscopy. Advances in IR spectroscopy includes developments in development in imaging techniques and portable spectrometers. Integration with other analytical methods enhances its applicability in various fields. The growing interest in real time monitoring and environment analysis indicates a promising future. References. Spectroscopy fundamentals and applications, while Griffiths and Hassep Hauner transform infrared spectrometer, while infrared and Roman characteristic group frequencies, John Ville and Sons. Thank you.